In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Sweatcoin to GCash. I'll walk you through what you can do right now, what isn't possible yet, and the smartest way to turn your Sweatcoins into real value without risking your account or your time. Start by opening the Sweatcoin app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on Balance. This is where you'll see how many Sweatcoins you've earned from your activity. It's also a handy place to keep track of your progress so you know what kinds of rewards might be within reach. From there, head over to the shop. Inside the shop, you'll find clear categories that make it easy to browse offers. Think of these categories as shortcuts to the types of rewards you care about most, like digital vouchers, discounts, subscriptions, or physical items. Exploring by category helps you quickly compare deals and spot items that are likely to hold good value if you plan to convert them into cash later. Now, here's the key part you need to know. At the moment, you cannot transfer Sweatcoins directly to GCash. Sweatcoin is designed as an in-app currency tied to rewards, not as cash you can withdraw to a mobile wallet. That's why you won't find a transfer or cash out button to send Sweatcoins straight to GCash. Instead, the practical workaround is to spend your Sweatcoins inside the app on rewards and then sell those rewards for real money. For example, you might redeem a product, service, or a digital voucher that's transferable. After you receive the item or code, you can resell it to someone you trust or through a reputable marketplace, and they can pay you in cash using the method you prefer, such as a mobile wallet. Before you choose a reward, check that it can legally and safely be resold, and always follow local regulations and marketplace rules. A few tips to make this smoother. Compare the Sweatcoin cost of a reward to its typical cash value to be sure the trade-off makes sense. Watch out for shipping or regional restrictions on physical items. For digital rewards, verify expiry dates and transferability, and keep redemption codes private until you're ready to complete a sale. Save your receipts or confirmation emails in case you need proof during a transaction. Finally, keep your Sweatcoin app updated and check official announcements. Features change over time, and if direct transfers to GCash ever become available, they'll likely be highlighted in the app or the help center. For now, use the shop strategically, pick rewards with strong resale value, and convert them to cash safely and transparently.